Hi there, this is Amanda Hill from the Social Media Cafe, and I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video into your blog. So I have my own channel, which is the Social Media Cafe UK, and I do all sorts of training videos on here, which I like to share with people. They tend to be quite short, and you've got up to 15 minutes, I believe, now on YouTube. Although watch this space, I'm sure it'll change. Now, it's very, very simple to do this, and there's just a few things you need to remember. So I've gone to up here, Social Media Cafe UK, and I want my videos. Okay? You can do this with anybody's videos that are on here, but obviously I want to put my content into my blog. So this is the video that I'd like to add to my blog. I have a plugin to stop this auto playing because sometimes they do, and I will share that with you on another day. But for the moment, what I want from this is the share button. So if I click on that, I actually want here, which is Embed Code. Now, before I just lift that, there's a few things I want to do first. I want to ensure that it doesn't show suggested videos when it finishes. Sometimes I might want to do that. On this particular instance I don't. I just wanted to show my video. I don't want to use HTTPS because that will stop some people from viewing it, and I don't need privacy enhanced mode. I do want to use the old embed code, and actually something else that I want to do is change the width. Now I can choose from any of the custom ones on here, but quite often I'm using these down the right hand column of a blog. In this particular instance I'm not, I'm putting it in the main body, but if people do want to click and make it bigger, they can click through and watch it full screen. I want it to be 200 pixels wide. I know that will automatically resize the height underneath. What it's also done in the embed code up here is it's changed this here. So if I just change that to 300, you can see it's automatically changing it here for me. So if I just click in here, it's highlighted it all. I just need to copy it, so I'm using Control and C, and then I need to go and find my blog, that I want to put it into, or actually I'm going to put it into here, which is some content using the campaign builder in MailChimp. It's exactly the same format. So if I swap it to the source view, now what I always do when I'm adding stuff in first is show where I want it to be. So X marks the spot for me. This is the HTML view. So if I click there, then have a little trip down the page to look for my X's. It does make it somewhat easier when you've done that, but you can still miss it. There you go, I've just gone straight past it again. There we go. I'm just pasted, which is Control and V for me. Click on source and you will be able to see videos there. How cool is that? Yeah. So I'm just going to save that. And that's it. Done. Sorted and in. Now if you're doing that in your WordPress blogs, it's exactly the same. Just save it and it's there. If you've got any questions, you know where to ask.